Hi everyone, it's Claire again, your onboarding specialist at Quantum Algo Trading. In this video, I am going to show you how to properly set up your Tradingview account so that everything works smoothly with our system. First, go to Tradingview.com and click Get Started. You must subscribe to at least the Essential plan. The Essential plan allows multiple indicators and proper chart layouts, which we need for Quantum Flow to function correctly. Anything below Essential will restrict your ability to use the tools properly. If you can afford it, I recommend selecting the annual plan because it is less expensive over time. If not, the monthly plan is fine. If you see a 30-day free trial option, select it. Complete the sign-up process, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and finish checkout. Once your account is active, you must purchase real-time futures data. This step is not optional. Click your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Billing. Click Subscriptions. Under Real-Time Market Data, click Explore Now. Scroll to CME Group, E-mini included, and click Learn More. Then click Subscribe to Real-Time CME Group Futures. Now pay very close attention. When prompted, you must select Non-Professional, Private Subscriber. Do not select Professional. If you accidentally select Professional status, the exchange will charge dramatically higher professional data fees. The difference can be significant. Select Non-Professional unless you are officially registered as a professional trader under exchange definitions. Confirm Non-Professional and complete the purchase. CME data is a separate recurring subscription from your Tradingview plan. Without real-time CME data, your futures charts will be delayed by approximately 10 minutes. That means everything you see on your screen will be 10 minutes behind the actual market. 10-minute delayed data is completely unacceptable for day trading. You cannot execute properly on delayed information. Real-time CME data is mandatory. After that, download the desktop application. Go to tradingview.com desktop and download the version for your operating system. We strongly encourage all students to use the desktop version for day trading. The desktop application is more stable and reduces execution errors. We do not recommend day trading from a browser tab or from a mobile phone. Very few traders consistently succeed day trading from mobile devices. Once you have an Essential plan, real-time CME data, and the desktop application installed, your Tradingview setup is complete. In the next video, I will show you how to access the Quantum Flow indicator and connect your Lucid account so you can place trades directly from Tradingview.